Ever felt like no matter how hard you try, the world whispers, "You're not good enough"? Let me take you into a quiet forest, where a little sparrow carried the same weight many of us feel. High above the trees, birds soared gracefully, flipping and diving in the wind. But the little sparrow? She sat in her nest, eyes full of longing. "If only I could fly like them," she whispered every morning. She tried, but fear always won. Her tiny wings trembled, and she fell. The other birds laughed. "You're too weak, too scared. Why even try?" Their voices pierced her heart, leaving her curled up, wishing it would all stop. That night alone under the stars, she whispered, "Maybe I am small, maybe I am fragile, but my dreams are stronger than my fears." The next morning she made a choice. "I will try again. Even if I fall, I won't quit." She leaped and fell. She leaped again, fell. This time, she didn't hide. She picked herself up and refused to give in. That evening, a wise old owl landed beside her. "Falling doesn't mean you failed," he said. "Flight doesn't come from wings. It comes from courage. And you, little one, have that courage." For the first time, she smiled through her tears. "Tomorrow, I'll try again, because I believe in myself." The next morning, no applause, no cheering, just her and her dream. She leaped, and this time she stayed in the air. Seconds felt like magic. She landed, heart pounding. I really flew. Days passed. Storms hit. Winds roared. Other birds hid, but not her. She spread her wings and faced the storm head-on. Branches tore her feathers. She fell. She rose, again and again. When the storm cleared, she soared higher than ever, touching the clouds. The birds that mocked her, silent, awestruck. Years later, another young sparrow froze on a branch, too scared to leap. The little sparrow, now strong and fearless, whispered, "Everyone feels fear, but only those who believe in themselves ever touch the sky. Life isn't about never falling, it's about rising every time you do. People will doubt you, they will laugh, they will say you're not enough. But your belief defines you, not them. Strength is choosing to fly, even when fear is right beside you. Courage, faith, persistence, that's what makes dreams take flight." Just like the sparrow, the one who refuses to quit is the one who finally soars above them all. If this story inspired you, like, share, and subscribe for more stories that lift your heart and fuel your courage.